day everyone, my name is Richard and welcome again to another edition of Learning with Rich. So for today's topic, I'm going to teach you how to create a switching circuit. So this is the continuation of my previous exercise that is tackling with Revit Electrical. Okay, so let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my view to level 1 floor plan lighting, and then after that I'm gonna hover my pointer to the face of my floor, and then I'm going to press tab to highlight the floor, and then I'm going to click that, right click, and then I'm going to hide the view elements so that I will be able to see the floor plan here nicely. So I'm going to connect now these lighting fixtures to this switch. To start with, I'm going to select one of the lighting fixture, and then you will see here create systems. I only have left switch here to create, so I'm going to select the switch here and then edit switch system so that I'll be able to add this lighting fixture. So I'll go ahead and select edit switch system. Add to system by default is selected, so I'm now go ahead and select this lighting fixture. So you will notice the total number of fixture now is 2, and then after that I'll go ahead and select switch here. Then I'm going to select this switch now. There you go. And then you will notice the switch ID here becomes M Lighting Switches Door. So after that I'll go ahead and select finish editing system. There you go. So that's how you create the switch circuits. So I'll go ahead and hover my pointer over the lighting fixture, and then I'm going to press tab, and then I'm going to press tab again. Tab. Yeah. And then you'll be able to see now the connection to the switch. So go ahead and click that. So this is now my switch system. Okay. So let me repeat the procedure. So I'll go ahead and select lighting fixture, switch, edit switch system. So you just need to redo again the exercise so that you'll be able to familiarize yourself on how to create the switch circuit. Select switch, and then I'm go ahead and select this one, and then finish editing circuit. Finish editing system. There you go. So I still have this room here, so I select one of the lighting fixture, same procedure, switch, edit switch system, add to system is selected by default, so I select this one, and this one. And then I'll select the switch, and then I go ahead and select this. There you go, and then I select finish editing system. Right, so let me just try to hover my pointer to the switch and press tab. There you go, and then I click. So this is now the switch circuit. So where else? Here. Okay, so same procedure. You can also select multiple lighting fixtures if you want. Alright, and then I select create system here. Okay, so these 4 are now included to the system, so no need for me to select edit switch system because from here I can already select switch. So I click this one, and then I click this little guy here. There you go. So it's now connected, and then I select finish, or I select modify to finish the creation of the circuit. So I move my pointer over the switch and then press tab and then click. So as you can see, it's now connected. Alright. So that's it for this exercise. So as you can see, it's not that difficult to create your switch circuit. Just make sure that you have placed your lighting fixtures and then switch correctly in your floor plan. So hopefully this exercise has been helpful to you guys. If you have any comments, suggestions, or questions, you can just put it on the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And also, please give this video a like, and you can also subscribe to my channel. Alright? Once again, this is Rich. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.